Landslide.
Landslide? Yeah, okay. Took my love and I took it down. Climbed a mountain and I turned around. And I saw my reflection in the snow-covered hills till the landslide brought me down. Oh, mirror in the sky, what is love? Can a child within my heart rise above? Can I sail through the changing ocean tide? Can I sail through the season of my mind? Well, I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I've built my life around you. We knew a shame. But time makes you bolder, even children get older, and I'm getting older too. Changing, 'cause I've built my life around you. But time makes you bolder, even children get older, and I'm getting older too. Oh, I'm getting older too. So take my love, take it down. Climb a mountain and turn around. And if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, landslide, bring it down. If you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, well, the landslide, bring it down. Landslide will bring it down. Oh, sweetie, that was beautiful. Thanks, Sweetie Machine. Hey, BOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to
BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO,
podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and with me today, the lovely and the talented Natasha.
BOOZHOO.
Okay. La-dee-dee-dum. Just because I think this is so funny.
So you just take it and you don't consider that it belongs to someone else?
No. Your keys in my room, you're asking for it. You don't leave your keys in someone's room when they've stolen cars before. Like, you're asking for it.
So what do you think is going to happen when you happen to steal somebody's car that disagrees with that and decides that they're going to drop a hammer on you and prosecute you to the full extent of the
Then
law?
I do my time in jail. Jail ain't nothing. That's what I always do, and they never catch me. Ain't nobody gonna catch me.
Because you're too streetwise?
Yup. And all these hoes laughing like something funny.
She's talking about the audience. that they're laughing at her.
Did you say the hoes are laughing?
Yep.
So the audience are a bunch of hoes.
Yep.
They applaud it.
Catch me outside. How about that? Catch me outside. How about that?
Catch you outside?
Catch me outside. How about that?
Yeah, catch me agua ching. What does that have to do with anything?
Nothing. Just thought it was funny. Hey, everybody, BOOZHOO. BOOZHOO, Zagame. Zagame's here.
Well, bonjour, Zagame.
And Wally Bear. Mino Giga Jabe, Niji. Wally Bear's here.
Bonjour, Wally Bear.
Shelly Ham with a good morning. Good morning.
Me no giga shape, Shelly Ham.
And Weesani. Hey, we haven't seen Weesani in a while.
Well, hi, Weesany. Where have you been?
BOOZHOO. Daniel Black. Daniel Black is back. We got to come up with... I always want to sing Back in Black when I see Daniel Black.
I don't know. Why?
I don't know. Is AC/DC Scottish?
I don't know.
Back in Black. Hit the sack. Don't want to be back. Anyway, BOOZHOO, Daniel. And Shady Side Locust. Oh, BOOZHOO, my girl. Ruby Ruby. BOOZHOO, Mino Giga Jabe to Ruby Ruby. Man, there's a lot of people here today.
Yeah, huh? Gwen Carly.
Gwen Carly, she's here. Good old Gwen. BOOZHOO, Gwen. Dr. Evils. Catch me outside. You don't want to catch Dr. Evils outside. No, thank you. Or in a dark alley or anywhere, really. Keep this under your hat. We may have found another sister. Just waiting to hear back from an older sister. Oh, Daniel's, keep it under your hat. So what? You just announced it on the internet. They might have found another sister.
No kidding.
Yeah, Daniel found his biological family last year, or a couple years ago or whatever. And he's starting to connect with the long lost siblings. Let's keep us posted. Jim Dunn, the fish smoker.
Was he smoking fish?
Yeah, he had to smoke fish yesterday. Who's your Jim? And John Redcorn. How's it going, my brother? So today, Tuesday, Nijo Gisha Good. Nijo Gisha Good is, of course, has become tradition in our way. And you know how Indians are about tradition.
Oh, we're crazy for tradition.
Crazy for tradition, And so as a traditional Anishinaabe Winnenee, as a traditional Indian man, I uphold the traditions of the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast, where Tuesdays are, dig if you will, a picture day. Huh, sweetie?
That's right. Dig if you will this picture.
Dig if you will this picture of Prince with an afro. He looks just like, what's that guy's name?
Bob Ross.
Bob Ross, who I would say actually is a pretty decent artist. He lost all credibility in college circles and hoity-toity, artist posers who would say, oh, he's not a real artist. He's on television. He just paints landscapes. It's like, you know what? He showed you that with his magic powers of painting, he could, in 30 minutes, paint a beautiful oil, realistic nature painting on canvas while holding a conversation. The guy was a genius. Love Bob Ross. Much better than Van Gogh.
Yeah, you don't like Van Gogh.
Hate Van Gogh. But this is a, dig if you will, this picture day. And as a tradition, this is a day when we look at pictures. So what do you have for us today?
Picture number 1 is a lovely drawing from one of our viewers.
Oh, really? Can you pull it up for us?
Yeah, sure.
This is a drawing. What's it a drawing of?
It's a dog from one of our viewers.
Oh, brother. I know this drawing.
Yeah.
Do you guys like this drawing? It's a golden retriever. It's a pencil drawing from one of the BOOZHOO crew. One of the viewers, the regular viewers, and regular callers to the BOOZHOO. Do you like this? Oh, really? You do? Well, then guess what? You are anti-Semitic.
Sweetie, don't call the BOOZHOO crew anti-Semitic.
Well, they like Hitler drawings. This is a drawing from Adolf Hitler. So, if you find yourself getting nervous because you want to say, oh, I like Hitler. No. You like Hitler's drawings. But we're not allowed to appreciate Hitler art because of what they told us he did in history.
Yeah, huh?
But I think I think he really captured a sweetness in this dog's eyes. And, he's also captured the moistness of the eyeball, which is, not impossible to do in drawing, but, I've drawn like this before, and this guy's got talent. Now, the history books will tell you that, he couldn't get into art school. His art wasn't good enough. No, his art was plenty good.
Hey, sweetie,
Yeah?
guess who's on the phone?
Is it Adolf Hitler?
It sure is, line 2.
Okay. I'm really not trying to trigger anybody. It's dig, if you will, a picture day. Hello, caller. Welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air. Whoops. That's something else. You're on the air. Oh, hello! Hello, Adolf.
Jawohl! Hello, NANABOOZHOO. It is I, little Adolf, the Führer.
Yeah, I know. How you doing?
Oh, I wanted to call in and tell you thank you so much. What's the German word for thank you?
What's the German word for thank you, sweetie?
I don't think there is a German word.
You tell me. I don't speak German.
I used to know, but I forgot. Da means yes. But thank you so much for sharing my drawing. That was my pup.
This is your puppy, huh?
Yes, oh, I miss him so much. And I loved him so much that I drew him and to immortalize his beautiful puppy face.
Yeah, that's a good drawing. You were also a oil painter, huh?
Yes, I did. I did a number of oil paintings of cities. Cities in Europe, in Germany, in what do we call it? Deutschland.
Yeah, Deutschland. Hold on a second. How do I get rid of... Oh, here we go. Get rid of Hitler's dog and put up Hitler's painting. Nope, that's Hunter's painting. What did I do with your painting, Adolf?
I do not know.
Oh, here it is. So, they tell me you couldn't get into art school.
Oh, those dirty Jews! They would not let me in their school.
Oh, so that's true?
Yes. I applied for art school, but they wouldn't let me in. They discriminated against me because I was not Jewish.
You're kidding. I never heard that side of the story.
Yes. Well, I got the last laugh on them, eh?
Don't joke like that.
No, I kid. But this is one of my paintings. Isn't it lovely, don't you think?
Yeah, that's not bad.
I painted it with the best of my abilities.
Yeah, you did a nice job there, Adolf. And the thing is, because you are such a great artist, it makes me just kind of question the rest of the story about you. You know? How does one become a painter like this, dedicate their life, and be so blessed by God to then turn around and do the horrible things they say you did?
You know, they have been unfair to little Hitler. I wish they would just focus on my paintings. Who cares about what I did back in the days? Don't you know they're living in the past?
Yeah, but, It's pretty unforgivable, I guess.
Oh, get out of it. You weren't there.
Yeah, it's true. I wasn't there. Anyway, so nicely done on the paintings. Don't know why I feel compelled to share this part of the art world. But, yeah. Oh, so I just wanted to say, Hitler, that I'm proud of you. And that's our phrase of the day, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Kima mikwenem. Kima... I don't even understand the joke, sweetie.
Me either.
Kima mikwenem. I'm proud of you, Hitler. You're a good painter.
Oh, thank you very much, Nanaboozhoo. I so appreciate it. Miigwech. Thank you.
Yeah. Kima mikwenem. I'm proud of you. And you know what else? Nin gidibwe yananam. Gi dibwe. Dibweya means to believe. Gi dibweya nimin. I believe in you. You could, if you keep practicing, you could be a great painter one day.
Oh, thank you so much. I think I will keep practicing my art.
Yeah.
Okay, well, listen, I should go. How do you say? I will see you again.
We say, Gigawaba min, Minawa.
Gigawaba min, Minawa.
Yeah, Gigawaba min, Minawa, Hitler.
Sweetie, what are you doing?
I have no idea. A Dr. Phil clip gave me the giggles. Now I'm feeling mischievous. Kima mikwenem. Proud of you. Sweetie, I'm proud of you. Kima mikwenemin.
That's hard for you to say, isn't it?
Yeah, it's kind of like saying cinnamon. Waynemin. Gimmick Waynemin. Gimmick. No, it's Gimamik. I don't even know how to say it. Gimamik Waynemin. You realize I've never said this before.
You've never told me you were proud of me.
Never once. All right, here's a little how to learn Ojibwe words and phrases. A little trick I employ when I'm learning a new phrase. If you start from the last syllable and work backwards, like min, nimin, waynimin, meek waynimin, mamik waynimin, gi mamik waynimin, is a good way to learn the words. Gi mamik waynimin, nimin. This is why I never told you I'm proud of you. And I'm not that proud of you.
That's okay.
No, I'm proud of you.
Are you proud of me?
I'm very proud of you. Man, you've come so far.
No, get out of here.
Yeah, remember when you first started in the show and we just dubbed Kate Bush and for your voice?
Yeah, when I first came on, you wanted me to be English.
Yeah, that was weird.
But whatever.
But you've come so far from being just kind of a quiet person that would just sit off camera. Once in a while, we just sort of pan over to you, sipping coffee, and I would just talk the whole time. To now, you know, you're singing songs, and basically you can host the show by yourself if you wanted to.
Ah, miigwech.
Yeah. Kimamik waynimin. Kimamik waynimin. Nimin. I'm proud of you. And I believe in you. Nin. Getebwe nimin. I think I'm saying that right. Getebwe nimin. No, it's not. Getebwe ya nimin. I don't know. I'm teaching bad Ojibwe this morning.
Yeah, who cares?
I care, sweetie. Don't you know this is my calling in life? To revitalize the sacred language of Ojibwe.
Is that what we're doing?
Yeah, that's what public radio thinks we're doing. We're revitalizing the language.
That's what they always say about us.
Yeah, we're going to revitalize it. It hasn't been very vital, so you better revitalize it in this innovative, creative way for the children. Hello, children. Welcome to Sesame Street on the res.
No.
Except we're not on the res. We're in Bemidji. Bemidji Gamug. Lake of the Crossing Waters. I almost put up a picture of Paul and Babe for a dig, if you will, a picture. Because that, as a resident of Bemidji, I'm really proud of Paul and Babe.
Yeah, me too.
Okay. But yeah. So, what else is going on, sweetie?
In current events?
Yeah, what's going on in current events?
Well, it's gonna rain today.
It's gonna rain. That's the weather report. You know, when we step it up and do our pre-tape show,
Yeah.
we're gonna have to do like a weather report where you're standing in front of a map of Minnesota and you can do a real weather report. That's what we should do. We should pre-tape an actual half-hour local news, and I'll get up there and just share Hitler and Dr. Phil jokes. And then you can do the weather, and I'll come and I'll mock sports. And today in Transgendered Sports Hour, another dude, is awarded for not really being a woman. So, here we go. I don't know. So there's that.
Yeah, there's that.
What else we got going on here? I can't speak. Gikendas. You are smart. Gikendas. You are smart. Gimenawebes. You're kind. And sweetie.
Yeah.
Gimikwadis. You are beautiful.
Oh, get out of here. You're making me blush.
I was just kind of searching around today for Ojibwe phrases. Just Googled it. And I came across a little poster that said, nice things you can tell your kids in Ojibwe. And I was like, you know what? How do we expect these young parents to say nice things to their kids in the language if we don't tell them what it is? So I thought, just for a change of pace. Gikendas. Gikendas. What's wrong with me today, sweetie?
Wake and bake.
Shh. Shut up about that. I'm having a stroke. Gikendas. Gikend you? No, Gikendas. You're smart. You're smart enough. You're kind enough. And doggone it, people like you. But what do you say if your kid's not smart? Do you tell a kid? Do dumb people know they're dumb?
Nope. Yeah, they do. Do you?
I know my limits. I'm smart enough to know what kind of intelligence I have. And I also know where my blind spots are, where my intelligence is limited. I have a certain set of very specific skills that don't have much monetary value in this world. But, I have some skills, some intelligence. Do ugly people know they're ugly?
I've wondered that. I think so. I think fat people know they're fat.
Yeah, they do. But sometimes good-looking people think they're ugly.
Yeah.
And there's some ugly people that don't know they're ugly. They think they're good-looking.
Let's think about that. That's a pretty deep question. And what is McWadazy? What is beauty?
It's in the eye of the beholder. And that's the point of our Dig If You Will a Picture Day. Art is it subjective? Or is it, Memorex?
Memorex, you're so old.
You know you're old if you understand. Is that live or is that Memorex? The kids today have no idea what Memorex is. It even sounds like made-up technology. Oh, welcome to Memory X, where you record your memories on tape. This will last about 15 years. Better make a Memorex tape of your baby's first steps, because why? Just going to decay into sun.
La, la, la. You want to take another call?
I could. Because I realize we also, we don't have a crossover song today.
We did it again, didn't we?
Yeah. What line?
Line 2.
Line 2. Hello, caller. Welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. Dig, if you will, a picture day. You're on the air.
Hey, Nanaboozhoo, it's me. It's Hunter Biden.
Hey, Hunter. Welcome back to the show. Sweetie, Hunter's on the phone again.
Well, hi, Hunter. How are you this morning? You know what? I'm doing great. I feel a lot better today, Natasha, because I gave up the drugs. You gave up drugs? Well, good for you, Hunter Biden. I gave them up, and I took them all. Now I'm all out. I'm flying high. Whee!
What do you want, Hunter?
Hey, man, you gotta share my paintings. I want to. It's digging for a picture day.
I don't want to share your paintings. Your paintings are crap.
No, they're I had an art show. Here, let me show you my paintings.
All right, let's see your paintings.
This one I call Mikwadizi.
No, you don't.
This is my beautiful painting. It's a beautiful painting, Nanaboozhoo.
No, it's not. It's terrible. Look at
that. I took little drops of paint.
What else you got?
And then this other one here. Hang on.
I don't know if this bit works.
Probably not. This one I call bottom of the shower with just goo from my filth.
Ugh. Painter, Hunter. They should have named him Hunter Biden or Painter Biden. Your name should be Painter Biden, huh, Hunter?
Yeah, man. Because I'm a hunter. I'm a lover, not a fighter.
You're a drug addict.
Yeah, I am. Hey, man, did you notice that? They're talking about me on the news again.
Yeah, I noticed that. They're everyone's kind of backpedaling, saying, "Oh, I guess it wasn't a Russian plot to smear the good name of Hunter Biden after all."
Yeah, man, they got me red-handed. They found my laptop. Can you imagine? I forgot my laptop, and I had all those dirty pictures. And I was like, you know what, man? I gotta put down the pipe once in a while because it's getting me in trouble.
Yeah, it is. You're just now figuring that out.
Yeah, man. But it's been a wild ride. It has been a wild ride now, Nanaboozhoo.
Yeah, well. Hey, here's a teachable moment.
What are you gonna do?
If you want to say you're not proud of somebody, you would start the phrase with gawin, which means no. Then you say the opposite, like if you want to say I'm not proud of you, Hunter.
Yeah.
I would say gawin gimamik wenim. No, see, I always screw it up. Gimamik weinimin. It's a weinimin. I can't say it. Gimamik weinimin. Weinimin. Z. I'm not proud of you. Hunter, I'm not proud of you. You haven't taken stock of your life and you haven't quit the drugs yet.
I've got to quit drugs. I had enough. It's enough already. I got a baby to raise.
That's right. You have a baby now. That old stripper, she told me, I don't know what I was thinking. I was on drugs. Yeah. Well, going in, get up away, Nimin. I believe in you. Or Gizi. I don't believe in you, actually. I think you're a hopeless case, Hunter. No, man. Don't stop believing in me. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Hunter, I gotta go. Okay, giga up man mewa. Yeah, giga up man mewa. You're getting annoyed with Hunter? I'm getting a little annoyed with him, He makes light of his very serious problem. Joking about it like that, that's not... I don't want my show to be a place that Hunter Biden thinks he can come and joke about the dangers of drug use. It's not funny, Hunter. You gotta take some stock in your life. You tell him, baby doll. Thank you. I got your back. I believe in you. Okay. Can you say it? Okay, let me try it. I believe in you. Nin, get up away and yen and men. See, it's tough. It's like saying aluminum. Men, nimen, yay nimen, way yay nimen. Deb, way yay nimen, gedeb way yay nimen. Mean, gedeb way, like truth. Gi deb way yay. It's like truth, yay, ni min. But it's not Neiman, it's Nimin. Gideb way yay nimin. There you go. Nin gideb way yay nimin, sweetie. Nin gideb way yay nimin, Winnie Mushin. I don't believe in myself anymore. Can't speak. I think I have a speech impediment. Well, you wouldn't be the first Muppet. Yeah, no kidding, huh? Never refer to me as a Muppet. Hey, you know what I realized the other day? What's that? I'm older than Jim Henson was when he died. No way, really? Yeah, Jim Henson was only 54 when he died. So his whole career was from high school through Sesame Street, Dark Crystal, Labyrinth, and Muppet Show until that's it. No more Kermit the Frog. Oh, and then the new Kermit the Frog? You guys hear about this one? So then there was a new guy became Kermit the Frog. And this is how old we are. How old you are, maybe. The next guy who played Kermit the Frog and impersonated Jim Henson. Because let's face it, I mean, Kermit was essentially Jim Henson. That was his alter ego. He went on for 30 years and played Kermit the Frog. Kermit the Frog. Hey, maybe there's an opening. Maybe I could be like Kermit the Frog. Kermit the Frog. That'd be a fun job, huh? Just being a puppet guy. Hello, everybody. My name is Kermit the Frog. And yay! It's time to start the show. Hey, that's pretty good impersonation. Yeah, I can do some of those guys. But anyway, it really made me kind of stop for a second. Wow. Jim Henson probably had plans for the future. And just like that. But I remember when he died, I was still a kid, so I was like, because I was like 30 years ago or so. I remember thinking, well, you lived a good long life. Died as an old man with a distinguished career. And now I'm older than him. I'm like, what? What a tragedy. It was just a kid. And they've kind of ruined his legacy. Because I guess his family's all involved in like Sesame Street decisions and whatever. And they came out with that terrible movie where they just got all X-rated with the image of Sesame Street and stuff. Oh, but then, so the new Kermit guy, after 30 years of serving, he gets fired from the Sesame Street people. They fired him because he was complaining too much. He didn't like the direction they wanted to take Kermit. Kermit was becoming a new, different kind of character. Because the guy was more of an actor, not just... Like Jim Henson wrote everything that Kermit said. He, was back and forth, He was a co-creator. So he didn't like seeing the direction Muppets were going in. And they got rid of him. He was like, oh, really? Well, thanks for 30 years of being Kermit the Frog. There's a door. We'll hire somebody else. We'll get that NanaBOOZHOO. He can do the voice. Hey there, everybody. It's time to start the show. Yay! Oh, no. No, that's more Mr. Bill. Mr. Bill. Oh, no, I'm Mr. Bill. This is my Animal and Cookie Monster.
Animal and Cookie Monster are same person. Beat drum, cookie.
It is the same person, isn't it? Yeah. Frank Oz. Terrible actor. And then there's the third guy. And I never remember his name. He played Ernie's left hand. And he would just snuggle up to Jim Henson, put his face in Jim Henson's armpit. And Jim Henson operated Ernie's face and right hand. And this other puppeteer got paid to play the left hand. No, the right hand. He was the physical. He wasn't just like a right hand man. He was the right hand. Ernie's right hand. Yeah. That's some job. But today, I'd like to honor Jim Henson. Live long and prosper, Jim Henson. We loved you as Mr. Spock on Star Trek. That wasn't Jim Henson. It wasn't? No, it's Leonard Nimoy, silly. Yeah, I know. I thought about getting a picture of Miss Piggy. Yeah. And putting it up and then doing a whole bit today saying, well, Amy Schumer is hosting the Oscars again this year. Or for the first time this year. But then I thought that would be cruel. To who? Amy Schumer or Miss Piggy? Yeah, that's too insulting to Miss Piggy. But yeah, Oscars are coming up. They're going to give themselves some golden awards for movies nobody sees. And Amy Schumer and that lady who would do spots on Curb Your Enthusiasm, Wendy Sykes? Wanda Sykes. And somebody else I never heard of. Hosting the biggest night of the year. Where Oscar comes out, where Oscar is king. The Golden Globes Awards. Whatever it is. You're going to watch the Oscars this year? I thought it already happened and I had missed it. No, I don't think it's happened yet. I think it's next week. Maybe it's next weekend. Is it? I have no idea. I couldn't care less. I could kind of care less too. I sort of hate movies now. I know. What happened? I hate movies. No, I don't hate movies. I hate movie stars. Yeah, that's what it is. And I hate award shows for meaningless accomplishments. You shouldn't give yourself awards. And they do it every 12 months. Can you imagine? Yeah. What if every 12 months we're like, hey, this year I'd like to recognize Natasha for Best Supporting Female in the live stream podcast. Sweetie, Gimamik Wayniman. I'm proud of you. Oh, thank you so much.
I wouldn't mind at least once we could have an award show.
Why would you want an award show?
Because then I get to wear a fancy gown.
A fancy gown.
Yeah, I'll lay down on the floor, bareback.
Bareback? You're thinking riding horse without a saddle.
No, where you have like an open back.
Open back.
And those long gloves. We could make it a gala event.
I could wear a tuxedo.
Yeah. We could come out like we're in the beginning. It'd be like the beginning of Bugs Bunny.
Oh, you mean
Overture, cut the lights, this is it, we'll hit the heights, no more rehearsing, nothing of bars, we know every part by heart.
What's the Muppet Show song?
Oh, it's time to start the show. It's time to do.
It's time to light the lights.
It's time to draw the curtain
on the Muppet Show tonight.
We got to do.
We got to dress up right.
It's on the most incredible, inspirational, that's original,
but additional. This is the Muppet Show. Then they have some slapsticky, those old men. This show really sucks. Yeah, it sure does. Look at all them Jews.
No.
If it was realistic, it would be like old men being racist. Look at that Negro boy. I've never seen so many fruits in my time. Back in my day. It'd be fun to see like a Muppet Show where the two old hecklers in the booth just were like super homophobic.
Yeah.
You call that sissy boy an actor? Well, back in my day. You want to get up here?
Yeah.
All right. So, 2 crossover. Let's find something funny for the... Wait, let's dig, if you will. And this has been Dig, if you will, this picture. That's the only reason I pulled out the Hitler stuff. Settle down. I'm not trying to be anti-Semitic. I don't even know any dirty Jews.
Sweetie!
I'm just kidding. Wouldn't it be funny if this show just took like a weird, harsh right turn? It's like, we've been kidding around for long enough. It's time I start talking about the Jews.
Yeah.
How fast would our show get taken off of YouTube? I don't know. Although I heard there's actual like real Nazi party in the Ukraine.
What?
Yeah. It gets taken off of Twitter, but apparently there is not neo-Nazis, full-blown Nazi guys. Swastikas, they got a whole battalion of Ukrainian soldiers who are like the Nazi soldiers or something. The Russians are fighting. The Russians have turned into the anti-fascists.
No way.
Yeah. And this has been your BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO's current events. War reporting. But anyway, so just to make light of current events. Since we're current eventing it now. But here's a song, sweetie. Oh, this is such a great song. This is... What do you think? Blues run the game?
Nah, too sad.
How about just the 3 of us on guitar? How about a little John Denver?
You got Country Roads?
Yeah. Here's Country Roads with Michael Lyons.
Say the way you move, gonna make you sweat, gonna make you groove. Now, hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and over here is the producer of the show, or whatever you want to call him, Michael Lyons. You want to say hello, Michael?
Yeah, sure. Hey, everybody. How you doing? Welcome back to the show.
And today, we're going to sing a song by none other than John Denver. It turns out we got kind of a lot of John Denver fans who watch this show, huh?
Yeah, it's true.
Okay, so this is Country Roads by John Denver. Get up here, man.
All right. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country roads take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country roads. All my memories gather round her, miner's lady, stranger to blue water, dark and dusty, painted on the sky, a misty taste of moonshine, teardrop in my eye. Country roads take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country roads. I hear her voice in the morning hour, she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far away. And driving down the road I get the feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday, country roads take me home to the place where I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country roads, take me home, down country roads, take me home, down country roads. And you have been watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Michael Lyons, and this is Natasha. And I will see you again. Gigawaba min, minowa, hoa.
And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Also, you can still contribute to our GoFundMe page. Just click the link to that. Thank you so much. Miigwech. Chi miigwech. Big thanks. All right, let's get out of here. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. How do I get rid of this thing? Oh, I got it. Okay, thanks. Hey, everybody. Natasha Nindish the cause. Let me just scooch up here a little bit. Let me just get close and cozy. How you doing? How's it going, Shady Side Locust? I have to take a turn at 149 left before I get to 40 right. No casino required. I don't know what you guys are talking about. Weesody, Bumma P. Have a good day, Weesody. It was nice to see you again. John Redcorn, Wally Bear. Ruby's up in Canada. How's it going, eh? Coo, 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 coo. Ooh la 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 la. Hoka hey, hoka hey. So, what's going on, sweetie? What do you think? Well, sneeze your geezer good. Second day, it's Tuesday. And I'll love you till Tuesday. Love, 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 love. Hush, hush. Keep it down now. Voices carry. Name that band. That was Till Tuesday. Very good. Till Tuesday is the name of a band from the 80s. Hush, hush. Keep it down now. Voices carry. Hush, hush. Oh, hush, hush. And then we never heard from her again. And then what else do we learn? Oh, Gikendas. Gikendas. This is why it's throwing us. It's the Gikendas. Gikendas. You, Neen is me. Gikendas. You are smart. Did you know you were smart? I remember one time my teacher in school said I was a smart ASS. Do you know you're a real smart ass? Like, well, duh. You know, I was kind of a smart mouth, smart aleck. Minowabes. Minowabes. You are kind. Notice the word minnow means good. Minowabes. You are kind. Minowabes. You're kind. You know, you're gentle with people's feelings. You're considerate. Minowabes. You're kind. And guess what? Mikawades. You're beautiful, sweetie. Mikawades. I'm not beautiful. I'm a dude. Dudes can be beautiful. No, we're handsome. Well, I wouldn't go so far to say handsome. Nah. Hey. Mikawades. You are beautiful. You're beautiful, BOOZHOO crew. So there's those phrases of the day. I don't know, sweet. I feel like we don't really have anything to talk about this morning because we can't pronounce the Ojibwe today. Gimamikwennimin. I say like a total moron. Gimamikwennimin. I'm proud of you. Oh, I'm so proud of you, honey.
Are you proud of me?
Yep. You know I'm proud of you.
Why?
Because you didn't give up.
What do you mean?
You know, you didn't give up. We kept doing this silly little thing and massaging it and trying to improve upon it over and over again until, guess what? Yesterday was payday.
That's right.
I don't like to talk about Junia, but I want to say miigwech for all the support we've been getting from Super Chats, from PayPal, Patreon, GoFundMe. Yesterday, I noticed this. I always remember 4 years ago, or 2018, there was one night we were up late doing the show. It used to take us hours to pre-film like a 15-minute spot. And we'd stay up late in the evenings. Sometimes we'd get up really early in the morning before we'd have to go to work. And the new movie that came out at the time was Christopher Robin. You know, about Winnie the Pooh. But it was a real live action movie where Christopher Robin was all grown up. And out of nowhere, his childhood teddy bear came back to life and found him. And I remember watching that, and this morning I watched it again, and I got pretty sentimental. You know, I'm not going to admit to crying, but maybe there was just a little bit of a tear in my eye watching the trailer for Christopher Robin. because it felt like when we started doing this show in 2018, which is 4 years ago now. I mean, I'm proud of you, but I'm proud of me, and I'm proud of Michael. I'm proud of everybody that we just kept trying hard. We put a lot of time and effort and energy into this thing. And now it's kind of paid off. We have a regular show with a small, pretty cool audience, and money's coming in for it. So I know that's rude of me, not the Indian way to talk about money, but me, Quetch. And it was really a nice moment last night to go, hey, la 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 la, where is the money? Me Quetch, chi me Quetch, for the Junia, for the money. Anyway, enough talk about that. Well, hey, do we still have a way to teleport me to those beautiful flowers?
I don't think so. I think we decided to go with the Dr. Phil joke.
Oh, I get it. I was thinking about going outside to pray, but maybe we'll do that tomorrow.
Do you want to take another call?
I could, I suppose. Hey!
What is it?
We got another super chat from Sure Realist.
Sure Realist, you're the best.
Yeah, you're largely responsible for why we had such a good payday yesterday. Chibi Quetch, Sure Realist, for your very generous contribution. We really appreciate it. But, what was I talking about before I got distracted with my lust for money?
Talking about being proud of people or something.
And the show, and just how far we've come. Being proud of ourselves. I don't know, I was patting myself on the back. Now I can't remember what I was talking about. Anyway. Bam Bam was from San Diego. Bam Bam? That kid from Fred Flintstone cartoons? Bam Bam? Grew up to be like a spousal, abusive spouse. Went to jail. Oh, I just bam. That's my solution to everything. Bam Bam! I hit it with a club. It's like, well, you can't do that. That's a felony, Bam Bam. Anyway. So... Oh, no, I was talking about Winnie the Pooh.
Yeah, that's right.
So it was 4 years ago when that movie came out, and I remember feeling kind of like that. Like we had rediscovered our childhood stuffed animals or something. And like something kind of special was happening. It felt almost magical, like Christopher Robin seeing a talking stuffed animal just go... In the beginning of the movie, he's in the park, and he sits down on a bench, and he's all grown up in a suit in England. And he's all stressed out, and he goes, what to do? And then you hear that familiar Winnie the Pooh voice go, what to do? And he turns around and goes, Pooh, it's not possible. I'm cracking up. And eventually accepts, nope, that's your talking teddy bear, remember? When you were a little kid, and you had those talking stuffed animals. They're back! So, I don't know. I'm just really grateful these days. Sunny day, la 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 la. Oh, anyway, was I going to take a phone call?
Yeah, I think you were going to take a phone call. Line 2.
Okay. This is awfully clumsy. No, let's wait till tomorrow to do the phone call. I think we're out of time.
You want to talk to Keanu and his girlfriend tomorrow?
Yeah, can you tell them that we'll have them on the show tomorrow. I'd like to apologize to our guest we didn't have time to get to. Keanu Reeves and his elderly girlfriend, who always poops or depends whenever she's on her show. We'll have you on tomorrow. Otherwise, Michael, do you want to add anything? Remind him of the books? Sure. Michael Lyons has books for sale on Amazon.com. Books like Mixed Blood. Oh, that was the other thing. Your book sales. Yeah, I don't remember you drawing those books. Your book sales went up 50% last month. You made $160. Hey, would you quit sharing my financial situation with the world? And the tax people called too. They want you to make an appointment. Okay. Mixed Blood is for sale. And Little Cutie, a teddy bear's vision quest. An English Ojibwe coloring book. And what was the other book you... Oh, OJIBERISH. Whoops, no, that's the commercial. Where's the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO? Here we go. And BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. And Dog and Mangan. And Grief Relief. And Rockstar Cartoonist. And whatever else. Check it out on his Amazon page. Otherwise, I think it's time. It's time we should be going. Okay?
Yeah, you got it, baby.
All right. Miigwech Ganawabi Egg. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This over here. This is NANABOOZHOO.
Okay, miigwech.
This is Michael Lyons, the rockstar cartoonist.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.
And I will see you again. Gigawaba min. Minawa. Hawa. Sweetie Pie.
1 to teleport.
See you tomorrow. Make it so, number 1.